Ingredients: 4 crust, 200 grams crackers or digestive biscuits, finely crushed, a 1/4 cup melted butter, 2 tablespoons sugar, 4 nut mixture, 1 cup chopped walnuts, 1 cup chopped pistachios, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 4 cheesecake filling, 500 cream cheese, softened, 3/4 cup sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a cup heavy cream, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, optional, for a slight tang, for baklava topping, 8 to 10 sheets phyllo dough, a 1/4 cup melted butter, half a cup chopped walnuts and pistachios, mixed, honey syrup, half a cup honey, a 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon rose water or orange blossom water, optional, for a floral hint. Step 1. Prepare the crust. 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Mix crushed biscuits, melted butter, and sugar in a bowl until it resembles wet sand. 3. Press the mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan, creating an even layer. 4. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes and let it cool completely. Make the nut mixture. 1. In a bowl, combine chopped walnuts, pistachios, cinnamon, and sugar. 2. Set aside for layering. Step 3. Prepare the cheesecake filling. 1. In a large bowl, beat cream cheese and sugar until smooth and fluffy. 2. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition for a creamy texture. 3. Mix in vanilla extract, heavy cream, and lemon juice, if using, until fully combined and smooth. Assemble the cheesecake. 1. Pour half of the cheesecake filling over the cooled crust. 2. Sprinkle half of the nut mixture over the cheesecake layer. 3. Add the remaining cheesecake filling on top, smoothing the surface. Add the baklava topping. 1. Layer Phyllo sheets on top, brushing each sheet with melted butter as you stack them. 2. Sprinkle the remaining nut mixture on top. 3. Use a sharp knife to cut the phyllo into diamond shapes for a classic baklava look. Bake the cheesecake. 1. Bake the cheesecake at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes or until the center is set and the phyllo topping is crispy and golden. 2. Let it cool to room temperature. Prepare the honey syrup. 1. While the cheesecake bakes, combine honey, water, sugar, and lemon juice in a small saucepan. 2. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until slightly thickened. 3. Stir in rose water or orange blossom water, if using, for a fragrant touch. Finishing touches. 1. Once the cheesecake is done baking, pour the warm syrup over the hot cheesecake, allowing it to seep into the layers. 2. Sprinkle with a few extra chopped nuts for that classic baklava finish. 3. Let it cool completely before removing from the pan. Serve chilled or at room temperature for the perfect blend of crispy, creamy, and nutty flavors. If this made your mouth water, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.